Hello everyone, welcome to Forest channel. This is Nina from Forest Packaging Group. Today I will introduce our packaging lamination. If you prefer a more environmentally friendly print, you can choose this brown crepe paper. And I feel it's rough and natural when you touch it. If you decide it's rich and have so many colors, we will use this duplicate board. The material rate is smooth and leads to lamination after printing the color. There are two lamination styles for you choosing. This is a matte lamination and this is a glossy lamination. Generally, we choose the matte lamination for our packaging because it's more natural. Like this box, the outside, the inside is matte lamination. This box is the glossy lamination. It will make your packaging more brighter. If you want everything is more interesting, we can choose the print matte lamination on one side and the glossy lamination on the other side. And the white cardboard box are also choose the glossy lamination, especially for ice cream in summer. Do you like this? If you need any paper packaging, please contact us and I will introduce them to you. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!